How's it going? It's Jay, that drain guy. So we got a kitchen sink, actually two kitchen sinks that are back to back in our apartment building. That door there, and this door here. But the main stack comes down in this wall. So what we're gonna actually do, we're gonna open up the wall, open up the vent pipe, and snake down and coupling everything back together. So once I get the wall opened up, I'll get back to you. Okay, so I got this wall opened up. This is your stack. This is your vent pipe for the two kitchens. And see how they tie in down there? It's just one big T. So what happens, the blockage is usually always right here. But with it being a T, when you snake from inside, the drain comes across, takes a 90-degree turn and goes out, and this is where the T is, and the same thing on the other side. So when you snake from inside, you just go across to the other unit. So we're gonna come here, we're gonna cut this vent, we're gonna coupling it all back together, and we'll go from there. I'll let you guys know when I'm done. Okay, you can see I cut it. I'm gonna snake down through here. It's gonna go right down through the T, and everything's gonna open up. Prop you guys up on something. Okay, you can see it going in, almost. Alright, so that's that. Now pull it back. And that's that. Now we're coupling everything back together. See, everything coupling back together. So the management will come, put an access panel here for next time, and then all we'll have to do is open up the couplings. So I'm trying something new. I'm going to say please subscribe, trying to build that audience base. But then I'm also going to say a word that to me means see you later, goodbye, till next time. It's Taragna.